Uncover your heart's desire meditation. Welcome, beautiful soul. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the chair, the floor, or the bed beneath you. Release any tension you may be holding in your muscles. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, and your forehead smooth. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly, releasing any stress or worry. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more present in this moment. Imagine now that you are creating a sacred space within you, a sanctuary, a quiet corner just for you. This is a place of peace, tranquility, and safety. A place where you can connect with your deepest self, your inner wisdom. Visualize this space. It might be a cozy cabin in the woods, a sand-drenched beach, a peaceful garden, or any other place that feels calming and safe to you. Fill this space with colors, textures, and scents that bring you joy and comfort. In this sanctuary, there are no demands, no expectations, no distractions, only the gentle rhythm of your breath and the quiet whispers of your soul. Allow any thoughts that arise to simply float by like clouds in the sky. Observe them without judgment, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Feel a sense of deep relaxation washing over you as you settle into this sacred space. This is your time to reconnect with your heart's desires, to listen to the longings of your soul. Know that you are safe here, safe to explore your dreams, your passions, your deepest desires. There is no right or wrong, only what feels true for you. As you continue to rest in this sanctuary, begin to become aware of any sensations, feelings, or images that arise. These may be subtle whispers from your heart, guiding you towards what truly lights you up. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a few deep breaths, feeling grounded and refreshed. Carry the peace and clarity of your inner sanctuary with you as you move through your day. Remember, this sacred space is always within you, waiting for you to return whenever you need to reconnect with your heart's desires. Now, before you move on, take a moment to grab a pen and paper and notepad on your tablet or phone, or open your voice memos. We'll need them to capture all those amazing desires that are about to emerge.